everyone, this is Rick Darlington. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted data, such as photos, videos, and other documents from your hard drive or from Windows using the Stellar Data Recovery Professional. First of all, you could download the software from the link below the video. Now, from the interface, you could find it's very simple to use. There are many options. You could choose the desktop to recover your deleted data from desktop. Also choose the documents, or you could even choose a specific location or folder, such as a folder to recover and other hard drives. Now, in order to test whether I can use the Stellar Data Recovery Professional to recover deleted files from my hard drive on my computer, I firstly prepare some files, including 5 photos, 2 documents, and 1 video file under my hard drive D. Now I just delete them permanently here, and once again also empty my recycle bin here. So the files are now permanently deleted. Next step, I will try to use the Stellar Data Recovery and see whether it could help recover the deleted files. In this step, I just choose the hard drive D and continue to tap on the Scale button. One of the most important advantages for Stellar Data Recovery is that it could help finish the scanning very quickly, only within several seconds. And there are 3 options to recover the data. The first one is the file type. Second one is the tree view, which means the specific folder. You can also choose the third one, the deleted list. Now I would choose the first one, which is the file type. You could choose the photos, audio, video, documents, text, and some other files. Now I would try to test whether my deleted photos could be recovered. So firstly, I choose the photo file. Please note the Stellar Data Recovery Professional has the preview functions. You could turn off or turn on its preview. Now, you could also search the file you just deleted. It seems I cannot find the deleted files by searching, but do not worry, you could also click on the files. As you can see, this photo is the one I just deleted. Please note, not all photos or files can be previewed. So I just choose these photos I deleted and continue to tap on the recover. Please note the Stellar Data Recovery Professional is the Pro version, which means you need to purchase the license to move ahead. Before you continue this step, you could consider whether it's worthwhile to purchase a license. For example, if you found some very important photos or videos, maybe you could continue. Now let's just move ahead. Also, it's significant to note that when you export your recovered data, please do save it to a different folder or place instead of the original one where you just deleted your photo, in case your data is overwritten. So in this step, I will save the data onto the hard drive F instead of the hard drive D in this folder. Now, and continue to tap on the Start Saving. Now I check whether the photos have been recovered successfully. So you can check the photos have been recovered successfully from a hard drive with this data recovery software. Next step, I will try to test whether the stellar data recovery could also help recover the deleted video. And this is the video I just deleted. For video, you could also preview it. You could play it here and drag devices including. So I check this and also recover it to the same folder and start saving. Now I will check whether the video can also be recovered successfully. Yeah, it could be recovered. Also, set your IP as normally. Nextly, I will continue to say whether the documents I just deleted could also be recovered successfully. So this is the Word document. As you can see, you could also preview the document. This is a very simple document I used first for reference. Now check this and also keep it to the same folder. Start saving. Okay. Sorry, just try again. Just to try to. Yeah, I just keep it to a run place. Now I keep it in this folder called save data and start save it. Now let's check again. Yes, now it's here. And see when we could open it. Yeah, it can be played successfully. So you could also try to recover some other types of data, such as the test of some applications. To sum up, this stellar data recovery could find most of the files I just deleted and also recover it successfully, so which is very amazing. But it's also important to note not all the files could be recovered successfully. Anyway, you could take it a try. And please remember it that when you export your data, please keep it to a different folder instead of the original place where you just deleted the or lost the data. So that is the tutorial I introduced today about how to recover your deleted files from your hard drive or from your computer. Thank you.